Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you two different ways to wrap a gift in a candy style. Let's get started. The first one is polka dot candy. I wrap the paper around my gift and make sure that both sides still have 2 inches extra paper. Remember to tie it tightly. You don't want your gift to slip out, right? The second one, which I called the kitty candy. Similar steps apply, but you only need to tie one end. You don't need to make it too neatly. Just make sure that it is secured and cover your gift totally. For more videos like this, please check out our channel. Thank you for watching.